Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to book an appointment on Fresha. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to of course the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have, and download the Fresha application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Fresha if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the middle of the screen, we have the recommended stuff in the home screen actually. In the bottom, we have the search. So we have the search bar. We have, as you can see, the appointments. So no appointments, your upcoming and past appointments will appear when you book. And in the bottom right corner, we have your profile and everything about it. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and book an appointment on Fresha. So firstly, you need to go and find where you would like to book an appointment at. So basically, you can go through the recommended, you can go to the new trending, you can go to the search bar, find something here like that. But now when you, of course, for instance, want to go and click on this haircut salon, for instance, you can click on there, click book now, and your appointment, then click book an appointment, and your appointment will be booked. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.